Hey everyone, just a quick update here. Has nothing to do with coronavirus. I basically just finished up my workshop that I've been working on for the last couple of months. This is my office now. So rather than being jammed over in that tiny little space there, I now have a real office space here. Lots of room, tons and tons of room, and of course my fridge and everything. Place over here to work on projects, whether they be guns or electronics or whatever. But that's not what I'm actually trying to show you. Let me switch this camera around. There we go. So here you can see the big box that I built under the house. Let me walk out here. I know it's dark. I don't know how much you're going to really be able to see, but hey, whatever. So, because of permit issues, I decided that we would not put a garage door on it. We would go with the double door. If I did the garage door, then I would have had to done a firewall overhead, and it would have been a lot more expensive, as well as take more time. I didn't want to do that, so put a nice double door in here, French door. It opens up to full 6 feet, so that's pretty good. Security lock on there, so I don't have to worry about a key. And come in, and I have just tons of room in here. Let me close this door so the moth doesn't come in. So first I'm going to go to the back here. It's 32 feet deep, about 13 feet wide, so it's a 400 square feet, give or take. Here in the back, I've got a nice 55-inch TV to provide some entertainment while I'm working. Computer, you know, the normal geek stuff here. Over here is the rest of the airplane kit, the Zenith 650. That's what's left. Overhead is the bigger pieces. So up there we've got wing parts that I've already made, and factory wing spars there. Got the fuselage cabin floor here ready to go in, as well as the firewall. Over here we've got a place for my compressor and shop vac. I put up a lot of pegboard, so there's no excuse for my tools getting disorganized now. I have shelves overhead. I've got plenty of pegboard. I've even got more I can put up later on if I want, but you know, tons and tons of stuff here. All the aircraft tools are down here separate from the rest. Shelving and stuff that I got cheap or free over here. I actually did get a permit. If y'all don't believe me, I got a permit. Lots more storage there. My buddy Doug's old shelf there. It works great. All steel shelf, holds all the heavy stuff. Plastic shelves hold the light stuff. Just got a little decoration on the walls here. An old Wright Brothers thing my mom gave me many years ago. A map here of the Oak Island, Cape Fear River area, and just decorated with random crap, basically. Over here got a Dodge Brothers thing that my neighbor across the street gave me, and some newspaper clips about water rescue team and whatever. Just something to fill the space. And I built a 16-foot long double-decker workbench. So this is great. You can see the fuselage up there on it, which used to take up my whole office. Barely makes an impact. Got a whole lot of table after that. So even when I put the whole fuselage together on the table, I've got plenty of room. I've got storage, a double-decker storage here. So there's plenty of room underneath. And this is just going to be a whole lot better. So that's about it. Oh, my lights are kind of interesting, I guess. Maybe only to me, but they're each one of these is an 8-foot LED strip, and shaped like a V. So it puts light out in every direction. And mounted on just 2x4s that run across, but they're not screwed into anything. I did a contraption like that. So anytime I need access to anything up high, I can just push this up, push that up and out. This will pop out, and I can just take the lights down to get access to the ceiling or things up high or whatever I need. So I'm happy. Took a little longer than I wanted it to take, but all projects do. But all done now. So now I just got to get back to working on this plane, get that sucker built. Y'all take care. Bye.